Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning severe weather update. So we have one more day of dangerous severe weather to contend with today as the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe weather for East Texas, much of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, much of Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, and western Tennessee in the orange shade area for today. We have a slight risk from the Gulf Coast of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi up through Kentucky and southern Ohio in the yellow shade area, and a marginal risk up through western Pennsylvania in the dark green. And taking a look at our tornado threat for today, we have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location across this yellow hatched area once again today. So make sure you're on guard for numerous tornadoes if you live across East Texas, Louisiana, Southeast Arkansas, Western Mississippi, and Southwestern Tennessee, and have your tornado shelter plan in place as we could be seeing a couple EF2 or stronger tornadoes across this area. We have a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location in the brown area from the Gulf Coast through central Tennessee, Kentucky, and southern Ohio, and a 2% chance of a tornado through southwestern Pennsylvania in the dark green shade area. Make sure you're on guard for scattered tornadoes if you live in the brown area, and an isolated tornado if you live in the green area. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, this is more of a concern in my opinion. We have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across our enhanced risk area for today, with a 15% chance in our slight risk area and a 5% chance in our marginal risk area. So make sure you're on guard for numerous damaging wind gusts, especially if you live across areas of the south in the red shade area. And taking a look at our large hail threat, we have a 30% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location today across East Texas, much of Louisiana, the northwestern half of the state, and southeastern Arkansas. So if you live in this area, make sure you are preparing for numerous large hail with some golf ball to tennis ball to baseball size hail as well. Make sure you are parking your cars in the garage if you live in this red shade area. Timing out the storms today, we have a lot of heavy rain ongoing and flooding across the mid-Mississippi Valley this morning, and our severe threat will ramp up as we go into about 10 a.m. as we could be seeing a few semi-discrete supercells once again west of Memphis, Tennessee, and even in southwestern Arkansas, just northeast of Texarkana. And then going into 10 and 11 o'clock, a lot of damaging winds will likely occur with these storms as they move across south central Arkansas, through western Tennessee around Memphis, and through Shreveport, Louisiana. Going into 1, 2 o'clock, I think this is when we're really going to start to see our tornado threat increase across southeastern Arkansas as more semi-discrete supercells form to the east of Memphis as well, around Jackson, Tennessee, and we have a lot of damaging winds moving through Shreveport with our line. Going into 2, and 3 o'clock, a nasty line of storms moves through Memphis, southern Kentucky, and northwestern Louisiana, producing a lot of damaging winds. And I think our tornado threat will decrease as we go into about 6 p.m., and then we'll just have to deal with our damaging wind threat as the storms move through Nashville around 8 p.m., Northern Mississippi through 8 p.m., northwestern Alabama, and then going into 10 o'clock, storms will kind of just train over the same area all night tonight, and into tomorrow morning we could be seeing more severe storms across much of Mississippi and northwestern Alabama, producing primarily hail and damaging winds. So make sure you are preparing for just one more day of nasty severe weather if you live across the South for today. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.